The concept of the speed of thought is an intriguing topic. However, it's important to note that it can be interpreted in different ways. If by speed of thought you mean the time it takes for a neural signal to travel through the brain, then it's safe to say that the speed of thought is generally consistent among individuals. Neural signals travel at a relatively constant speed along the complex network of neurons in our brains, which enables information processing and cognitive functions. On the other hand, if you are referring to the subjective experience of the speed of thinking or the perception of time during thought processes, there can be considerable variation among individuals. Factors such as attention, cognitive processing speed, and individual differences can influence how quickly or slowly someone perceives their thoughts or mental processes. Additionally, the speed of thought can vary depending on the nature of the task or the complexity of the information being processed. Simple and familiar tasks may be processed more quickly, while complex or unfamiliar tasks may require more time for thinking and decision-making. It's worth noting that the speed of thought is a challenging concept to measure precisely, and our understanding of it is still evolving. Neuroscientists and cognitive psychologists continue to investigate various aspects of thought processing and the factors that influence its speed.